Hi everyone, today we are diving into the delicious world of periwinkles. Periwinkles, popularly called Isam in Rivers State, is a seafood for making different kinds of soup, and you will find them in abundance in the Niger Delta region of Nigeria. We are going to be making a classic dish called periwinkle pepper soup. Let's get into it. You start by cutting off the tails of the shelled periwinkles. This will help them cook properly and make it easier to suck when it's ready. Wash them thoroughly under cold water to remove dirt. You will have to wash it severally because they are found in the swamps of the mangrove. For the final wash, add a pinch of salt to the water. This will help remove any remaining impurities. Pour the cleaned periwinkles into a pot. Add your onion, ginger, garlic, pepper, seasoning cubes, and salt. Pepper soup spice. You add your desired spice when cooking. Allow the pot to boil for about 3 minutes. It's time to add your choice of starchy ingredients. You can use potatoes, ripe plantain, or yam. Add them to the pot and cook for about 8 minutes or until they are tender. To add a fresh flavor to the pepper soup, you add scent leaf and let the pepper soup boil for 2 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious and authentic periwinkle pepper soup. This dish is a great way to warm up on a cold day, or a meal to enjoy with friends and family. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious Nigerian recipes. Happy cooking!